What are you doing?
$10?
For $10 for what?
Oh, you're eating that pepper?
Dude, let me see it. I don't want to do
$10
it.
is a lot.
No, so you gotta take the before picture and then take the after picture, and then I can do like a comparison of the red tone.
Here, look at the picture.
This is for $10?
Oh my god, it's changing. Look at it. Look at his
Hey, that wasn't so bad.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, that's such a good picture.
Oh, it burns.
skin tone is so different.
And who said you could drink soda?
For 6 minutes, dude.
I didn't say you could drink soda.
Dude, his face literally changes like right here.
Oh my god, that's so
I just took like 20 pictures.
You're like really